Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a comparison between Hailuo AI and Runway ML. That's right. Hailuo AI is a next generation AI video creation tool by Minimax. It is designed to bring your ideas to life through text to video technology. With powerful multimodal capabilities, Hailuo AI transforms simple prompts into stunning, high-quality videos, complete with realistic motion, audio, and cinematic effects. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or marketer, Hailuo AI helps you create professional videos effectively. Now, the features are high quality visual output, multimodal input support, and cinematic camera control. When it comes to the rating, it's rated 2.1 out of 5 on Trustpilot. Now, when we look at the pricing, it has a monthly pricing plan for standard, pro, and unlimited plan. For standard, it is $9.99 per month, pro for $34.99 per month, and unlimited plan $94.99 per month. And comes to yearly plan is $120 per year for standard, $420 per year for pro, and $1,139 per year for unlimited plan. Now, let's look at that of Runway. Runway ML is a creative tech company that turns the imagination into reality using powerful AI tools. It enables creators of all levels to generate and edit multimedia from film quality videos and images to immersive 3D assets right in their browser. It is powered by models like Gen 1, Gen 2, Gen 3 Alpha, and the advanced Gen 4. Runway blends research and design to make storytelling effortless, whether sketching a scene, editing a clip, or prototyping a game world. Runway supports your creative flow with speed, control, and joy. It is easy to use, it has real-time collaboration and comprehensive features. The rating is 1.4 out of 5 G2 in Captera. Now, let's look at the pricing. Monthly pricing $29 per month, professional $99 per month, and enterprise $299 per month. While that of the yearly plan is $290 per year for starter, $990 per year for professional, and $2,990 per year for enterprise. Now let's look at their features. Hailuo AI features text to video generation, director style control, short clip optimization, image to video, while Runway ML features cloud storage, real-time collaboration, advanced analytics, and mobile app for iOS and Android devices. So, it is when it comes to use cases, Hailuo AI can be used for AI film and animation production, social media content creation, marketing and product demos, AI music video generation, AI educational videos, and concept art visualization. While Runway MI use cases are project management, document collaboration, team communication, data analytics, file sharing, and workflow automation. So they've been reviewed, and both of them got 5 stars by most people because they're the best models. Yeah. So, in conclusion, what am I saying? Why both of them are great? They excel in their respective areas. Analysis revealed that Hailuo AI offers the most comprehensive solution with superior accuracy, extensive features, and seamless integration capabilities. So, I believe you got the answer there. Hope you found this video helpful.